Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be playing in some more of ORS Curls Unleashed Color Blast Temporary Hair Makeup Wax in the color Mystic. And this time I am trying it out on wet or damp, should I say, hair. So I'm doing a 2-strand twist throughout my hair, and I've already applied leave-in, oil, and a cream styler. And then right on top of those 3 products, I am going to add the hair paint wax. So I'm just going to distribute this throughout my hair until it gets to my desired color. I have used these products before in the past, but I've done them on dry hair, which gives a very vibrant color. But I just wanted to try it on damp hair just to see what the results would be. So stay tuned. So because this is a temporary color, it does washes out in one wash. When you add it to wet hair, the color doesn't stick as well. So you do have to add a little extra product to it. But on the other hand, this product does go a long way. It is very thick, so if you add too much, there will be some flaking. So you have to use the product sparingly. And sometimes it doesn't look like the color is taking, but once your hair dries, the color does settle in. So keep that in mind. So I've now finished twisting my hair, and I only added the color in the front. Wanted to give it sort of an ombre look. So now I'm going to center the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes until it is completely dry, and then I'm going to take it down. So my hair is completely dry, and I am going to unravel my twist, and I'm going to fluff and style. So I'm going to add a little oil to my hands just to prevent the frizz. Not too much oil because I don't want it to disturb the color that is on my twist. So I'm just taking my time to untwist. And then I'll just separate where the curls just want to naturally separate. And then I'll do a little fluffing at the end. So here are my final results, and I am absolutely loving the color. I also got a new ring light, so different setup. Yeah, very excited about that, and color is bomb. Definitely will be playing in some more colors, so stay tuned for that.